Gold and other precious metal IRAs are individual retirement accounts held in physical metals. They work equivalent to a standard IRA, but utilize precious metals instead of paper assets. Precious metal IRAs were first officially recognized by the Taxpayer Relief Act of 1997. These types of IRAs are normally self-coordinated and managed, giving the owner more control over their portfolio. The IRS endorses select precious metals and bullion for IRAs. The 4 precious metals permitted to be held by an individual retirement account are gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Gold is the most common metal used for precious metal IRAs. Many individuals use gold IRAs as a means of expanding their portfolios to hedge against inflation. This is because gold has a historic tendency to increase in value when the dollar decreases. In addition to this, gold is a tangible asset that holds intrinsic value. Millions of Americans have depended on gold and other precious metals as a means of wealth protection throughout history.
If you'd like to learn more about gold and other precious metals, call the number on your screen or click on the link below.